Sawadee krab. Welcome to Thailand. The Immigration Bureau has introduced the use of Thai Digital Arrival Card or TDAC to facilitate travelers entering Thailand. All non-Thai nationals entering the Kingdom of Thailand, regardless of their mode of transportation, including land, sea and air, must complete the TDAC online before arrival. Visit the official website at tdac.immigration.go.th and click the Arrival Card button. Or simply scan the QR code and follow the steps as instructed to fill out your personal information, such as your full name, accommodation in Thailand, and flight information. Individuals with specific nationalities or with travel history to the areas identified as high risk for specific disease within 14 days, the system will prompt you to provide additional health declaration information. The TDAC online is available for submission within the 3 days period preceding your travel date. Completion of the TDAC online is mandatory before your arrival. Without completion, your entry will not be processed by the immigration officers. Travelers failing to submit it in advance will be required to do so before engaging with immigration procedures. We hope you have a wonderful time in Thailand. Thank you for your cooperation.